random students here at Ayala National High School. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hi po. Pwede mag-ask questions? Math question. Easy lang po. If okay lang po sa inyo.
Basic lang po.
Ayaw nila. Sige. Okay. Okay lang. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi po. Busy po ba kayo? Okay lang mag-ask question? Math question. Okay lang po. Okay. This question contains 5 peso if masagutan niyo po ng tama.
Ice candy.
Are you ready? Wait. What grade are you in section?
9.
Name po.
RJ Ortiz.
Are you ready? Your question is, what do you call to the bottom number of fraction?
Denominator.
Again?
Denominator.
Your answer is correct. Oh my god. Do you want to answer pa?
Go!
Okay. This. What is the value of 8 plus 5 times 1?
5 times 8 plus 5
Yes.
times 1. 8 plus 5 times 1, 5, 13.
13. Your answer is correct. Oh my god, ang talino. Excuse po. Pwede kayo maabala?
Ano po?
Mag-ask po kami question, math question. Is it okay? Easy lang po.
Sige po. Try lang po.
Okay, then this question contains 5 peso po if you can answer correctly. So, what is your name and grade level?
Ano po? Rona May P. Psycho, grade 9.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. This one. The horizontal axis of a graph called. You can call a friend actually. Pero wala.
Sige lang po ako.
Okay, the horizontal axis of a graph called
Okay.
X. Okay. May kulang pa.
Wala.
Pero it's okay kung yun na yung final answer mo.
Yun na po.
Yun na po?
Opo.
Okay, your answer is correct. Counted na siya as axis, but you said X, so it's considered the right answer. So, thank you so much. Your prize po. Thank you.
Yun lang, bye-bye!